Welcome back to Car Hub. Today we're excited to share with you the latest details about the 2025 Nissan GT-R. This iconic sports car has been a favorite among enthusiasts for decades, and the new model year brings some exciting updates. The 2025 GT-R boasts a sleek and aggressive design with a new front bumper and spoiler, as well as updated LED headlights. The exterior is available in several bold colors, so you're sure to turn heads on the road. Under the hood, the GT-R packs a powerful 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 600 horsepower and 481 lb-ft of torque. This means you'll go from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds and reach a top speed of 196 mph. Inside, the GT-R is all about performance and comfort. With premium leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system, you'll feel like you're driving in style. And with features like launch control and adaptive suspension, you'll be ready to take on any track or road. Other notable features of the 2025 Nissan GT-R include advanced safety features like forward collision warning and blind spot detection, as well as a range of driver assistance technologies. Overview: the 2025 Nissan GT-R is an exceptional choice for anyone looking for a high-performance sports car that's both exhilarating and refined. Thanks for watching Car Hub, and we'll see you in the next video.